In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Notion databases. If you're like most people juggling multiple tasks, you know how quickly your to-do list can become cluttered. This is especially true in Notion, where all completed tasks tend to pile up and obscure what still needs your attention. Fear not. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, streamlined view of only the tasks that are still pending. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to your Notion app. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific page or workspace where your tasks are stored. This might be your personal project planner, a shared team board, or any page where you manage tasks. If you're already familiar with your Notion setup, this will be a breeze. Once you've found the right database, your next step is to locate the Filter button. This button is usually situated in the top right corner of your database. Clicking on it will help you manage the visibility of different entries in your list. The beauty of using filters lies in their versatility. They allow you to tailor your view to show exactly what you need. After clicking on the Filter button, look for the option that says Add a Filter. This action brings up a menu of various properties you can apply to your tasks. Properties in Notion are essentially labels or tags that help you organize and categorize your tasks. In this case, you want to focus on the property you've been using to identify tasks as complete. This is typically labeled as status. Selecting this property will bring you one step closer to decluttering your database. With the status property selected, you now want to apply a specific condition. The goal is to choose the condition where the status is not done. This is crucial because it tells Notion to hide all tasks that have already been completed, leaving only those that are ongoing or not yet started. As soon as this condition is set, you should see your list transform instantly, showcasing only the tasks that require your attention. And there you have it, a clean, efficient view of your active tasks only. This filtering method is not just limited to task completion. You can modify and combine different filters to suit other organizational needs as well. For instance, you could use similar steps to filter tasks by priority levels or specific deadlines, further tailoring your workflow to enhance productivity. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to hide completed tasks in Notion databases. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and productivity hacks. Happy organizing!